Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
Assess complex agents using GenPark Agent Task Evaluation Benchmark Harness Synthesizer skill with oqoqo style testing, but what powers its desktop setup? This skill operates as a benchmark synthesizer for agent task evaluation, giving developers structured testing capabilities. You can quick start your workflow instantly by running the Python example usage script. Reviewing the agentic architecture flowchart helps developers map out the system's structural design. Finally, Model Context Protocol integration lets it run natively as an MCP server for Cursor and Cloud Desktop. With Wispr Flow style transcription, GenPark voice command structured action dispatcher skill dispatches actions, teasing a native server surprise. This GenPark AI agent skill provides structured autonomous action dispatcher features to process incoming voice audio. For a quick start, developers simply execute the Python example usage script to kick off processing. The agentic architecture flowchart illustrates how the system coordinates internal component operations. Finally, Model Context Protocol integration allows it to run natively as a server for Cursor and Cloud Desktop. Through IDO-style AST validation, GenPark Code Review Sandbox Runtime Execution Validator skill blocks risky execution. But how does it connect to Cloud Desktop? As a dynamic AST code review sandbox, it provides a runtime execution validator built in IDO-style. For a quick start, developers can run example usage.py directly using Python to verify operations. The agentic architecture flowchart illustrates how a JSON request flows through execution logic to return structured output. By running natively as an MCP server via mcp-server.py, it integrates directly with Cursor and Cloud Desktop. Streamline agenda synthesis in Hey-No style using GenPark Proactive AI Executive Assistant Meeting Scheduler skill, but how does it connect? This proactive executive assistant handles meeting scheduling to keep leaders organized. Execute the Python example script during quick start to test usage patterns immediately. The agentic architecture flowchart outlines the system design and core execution structure clearly. It runs natively as a Model Context Protocol server for Cursor and Cloud Desktop environments. Polygraph style compression in GenPark Database Schema Graph Context Window Compressor skill shrinks relational schemas for prompts, teasing native Cursor integration. This skill converts a database schema relational graph into compressed context window prompts for efficiency. To quick start your workflow, execute Python example usage.py to run the code. The agentic architecture flowchart outlines how structured components process requests in this system. Finally, run Python MCP server.py natively as an MCP server for Cursor and Cloud Desktop to deliver editor integration. Stop domain brand spoofing by auditing DMARC policies with GenPark Email Security DMARC Spoofing Defense Guard skill before initializing server execution. This auditor strengthens email security by verifying SPF, DKIM, and DMARC policies in a Redshift style. You achieve a quick start by executing Python example usage.py. Checking the architecture section displays a loading state during visual rendering. Finally, run Python MCP server.py to host the MCP server for seamless integration. Clustering support tickets into linked issue graphs. GenPark Customer Feedback Intelligence Issue Graph Router skill automates triage until server deployment. This GenPark AI agent skill clusters customer support tickets into DevRev-style engineering issue graphs to connect feedback directly with development. To quick start your testing environment, execute Python example usage.py so you can verify script behavior right away. Examining the architecture clarifies how components interact, helping developers map overall system boundaries and data flow efficiently. Finally, executing Python MCP server.py launches the server, completing your workflow setup with seamless external integration. That's the mix for today. More trending dev tools and AI agents in the next one.